So you've got that expensive gym membership and you're working out 3 or 4 times a week, right? But what are you doing for your mind? Let me introduce you to some mental gymnastics. Here we have a problem where y is equal to x raised to the third power, all raised to the second power. If x is equal to 2, then what is the answer? Let's have a quick review. Here we are working with bases and exponents. This is read a to the nth power and means to take the base a and multiply it by itself n number of times. If n is equal to 4, then that means a times a times a times a. Got it?
Now, going back to our problem, if x is equal to 2, we have 2 cubed or raised to the third power, which means 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. Now we have 8 raised to the second power, or 8 squared, which means 8 times 8, which is equal to 64. That's your answer. Now, let me show you a quicker and easier way to work this kind of problem. Whenever you have a base raised to a power and then that raised to another power, that is the same as the base raised to the product of those two powers. So going back to the original problem of x cubed all raised to the second power, or squared, if x is equal to 2, then we have 2 raised to the product of 3 and 2, which gives us 2 to the 6th. That is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 64. Groovy! Stay tuned to more mental gymnastics from Perk Tutor.